Hi students, this is your Ramesh sir from AR Academy GDK. Today's topic from Physics IIT Basics class 9. Okay, be ready to take notes. Okay, today our topic is about escape velocity. VE equal to square root of 2GR. Escape velocity, concentrate more. The minimum velocity required by a body to escape from the surface of Earth into the space by overcoming Earth's gravitational field is called escape velocity. Escape velocity means how much amount of velocity is required to a body to escape from the surface of Earth when you throw upside into the space. So, by overcoming the gravitational force of the Earth, it has to go upwards into the space. Understand, children? That velocity required, that much of velocity required is called escape velocity. It is denoted by VE. Let us see the explanation. Assume this is the Earth and you are throwing the body upwards like this. This is the body, mass M. Let mass of the body, say, mass of the body be the M. Mass of the body be the M. Velocity of the body with which you are throwing, that is VE. And mass of the Earth, this is the Earth. Mass of the Earth, assume capital M. And displacement of the body, from here to here it is traveling. So, this is R plus H or H plus R. If you assume H is 2 less than R, then H plus R will become R only. Remember, S is equal to R. Here also I wrote. If you assume H is 2 less than R, S equal to H plus R, S displacement S is equal to H plus R. That if it is H is 2 less, so we have to take S equal to R. Okay, this is the Earth, this is the H, it is traveling. R plus H we are taking as displacement as R. H is very less, that's why I took S equal to R here. So its required velocity VE. Mass of the body is M. This say assume M2. This first body M1, capital M. Our Earth mass, capital M. Okay, displacement how much it became? R. Okay, and now come to the point, kinetic energy of the body. You know what is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a body because of its velocity is called kinetic energy. You are throwing the body upwards. By gravity, automatically it will come down. You know that. To escape from the gravitational pull of the Earth into the space, what is that kinetic energy? We will calculate now. Kinetic energy formula you know. Kinetic energy equal of mv square. But here V equal to what, children? V equal to VE. Therefore, we will write KE equal of mVE square. Say this is equation number 1. Okay. Kinetic energy means what? The energy possessed by the body because of its velocity is called kinetic energy. Okay. This is equation 1. According to the Newton law of universal gravitation, already you studied Newton law of universal gravitation. Every object in this universe attract other body. Every mass will attract another mass. That force of attraction between them is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distances. This you studied already. From this, we will write one formula. What is that? F equal G into M1 M2 by D square. But here M1 first mass is Earth mass, that is capital M, and second mass is the body which is thrown upwards. This is the stone or whatever it may be, rocket or whatever it may be. M, small m. D, distance here how much displacement we taken? H plus R. So this is R square. Okay. Say this is equation number 2. Okay. Now come to the another point, potential energy of the body. What is the potential energy of the body? energy possessed by the body because of its position or height is called as potential energy. Here, potential energy is equal to work done on the body. We are throwing the body upwards to certain height to escape. So we are doing some work done on the body. What is the work formula? Force into displacement. So here potential energy is nothing but work done on the body. So potential energy is equal to work formula, you know, F into S. But here F, you know, what is the F here? According to second equation you see, F equal to, here F I am writing, F equal to G into M by R square. Here displacement S equal to how much I wrote? R. Okay. Here R I wrote. And this R get cancelled. This R and 1 R get cancelled. So this potential energy will become G M by R. This is potential energy. Okay, potential energy. But what is the condition for body to escape from the surface of the earth? It has to overcome the earth gravitational field. To overcome the earth gravitational field, it has to reach the potential energy of that body. Means kinetic energy must be equal to potential energy. This is condition to escape the body from the surface of the earth into the space. But kinetic energy, what we got in equation 1? 1 by 2 mve square and equal to Pe. What is potential energy here? Gmm by R. Gmm by R. Here you see mm get cancelled. And send to that side Ve square equal to, send that side, 2 Gm by R. Here Ve means what? Square, send that side, it will become square root. Got it? Gm by R. Here I am multiplying with R and dividing with R to create something. What is that? You see, observe. Here 2 into Gm. R into R means what? R square into R. Okay, but you know the relation between small g and capital G. G equal Gm by R square. This you remember. G is equal to Gm by R square. This is relation between small g and capital G. Capital G is universal gravitational constant. Here also I wrote, you see, G, universal gravitational constant. So from this I am writing Gm by R square. Gm by R square equal G. So then it will become square root of 2 into G into R. Here instead of this Gm by R square I substituted G. So we got V equal to 2gr. V equal to 2gr. So this is the escaping velocity formula required to escape from the surface of the earth, overcoming the gravitational field of the earth. V equal square root of 2gr. Practice again and again. Like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.